Headline News Update.
Hi everyone, Basil Chapman here. This is the 7th day of February, and this is going to be very interesting. I'm going to be doing quite a technical study in my show coming up, the Tiger Technicians Hour, in about another 2-3 minutes, because we made new highs in the Dow and the S&P. Theoretically, that should lead to other highs. Doesn't say how high, it might just be nominally higher. So I'll talk about that, and I'll talk about where it breaks down. If there's if there's a big slide right here, you can get what I call Chapman wave, single leg A failure mode. I'm not sure that's going to happen, but we'll talk about that in great detail. Dow is down 185 points at 29,195. The S&P, and that's after making a new high yesterday at 29,408. The SPX.X, this is the S&P 500 index, makes a new high yesterday at, I think it was 334,796. And we're down a little bit today, down 9 at 33.36. The Qs, all-time high, yep, again today at 230.06. It went to 230.44. Good strength. This relative, I have to talk about that in the coming hour. You'll see we'll talk about this in a really interesting way. The IWM, which has been extremely weak, is very weak today, 165.45. I'll also talk about why I think the IWM Russell 2000 is lagging. And now we're going to go to gold. Where's gold? Is gold running now? Gold is up 1.5 at 1571. It's not taking this coronavirus that seriously at this particular point. The dollar is screaming to the upside, up 20 ticks again, 98.67. This is, look at that weekly candle. It's already looking very good. I wanted to also just show you that crude oil is, in fact, still stuck in that down at the bottom. It's down 20 cents, just not doing. But look at bonds. Bonds had a very strong move, up 144.55. Try to put this together with money coming out of stocks into bonds with a gap up. It's going to be very interesting what happens with bonds here. Now, and the one thing I'm going to talk about that's really, I think, important is the canary in the coal mine, is the SMHs, the semiconductors. As soon as we get back, we'll try to put this whole thing together, and we'll see what happens. Basil Chapman signing off before my show, the Tiger Technicians Hour. I'm also the author of the Opening Call Daily Newsletter. See you in a few minutes, I hope. Otherwise, Monday.